If you've inherited a property in Blacklick, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Blacklick, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying inherited properties in and around Blacklick, Ohio, and the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it simple. When you're working with some type of probate or inheritance situation, I already understand there could be a lot of confusion, a lot of paperwork, there could be attorneys, there could be courts. The last thing that we're here to do is to add to this confusion and add to the complexity of the situation. We're here to keep it simple, and we're able to do that because we're going to buy the property in its true as-is condition. What that means is you don't need to put any work into the property, you don't need to fix anything up, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. The conversation typically with the seller of an inherited property in Blacklick, Ohio, it goes something along the lines of you as the seller, the person who inherited the property, you can take anything that you want out of the property. Any collectibles or family heirlooms or belongings, whatever the case may be, anything that you don't want or just don't need, you can just leave behind because we're going to buy it in its as-is condition and not require you to put your hard-earned money into this house and pay for somebody to haul things away. It's truly in its as-is condition. And that's different than a traditional buyer. So a traditional buyer might be somebody who's working with a realtor and they have to get approved for some type of loan, and then this lender that they're using is going to require the property to be appraised, and hopefully the property passes the appraisal, and they might require you to put some work into the property before they could close. There's 100 different inspections and things. It's very convoluted. There's too many hoops to jump through. We don't have that whatsoever, being a true cash buyer, and we're able to close on your timeline. When you're working with a traditional buyer who's using a loan with formal appraisals and inspections, you're closing on their timeline. You're closing on the lender's timeline. Since we're a true cash buyer, we're able to close on your timeline. So if you need to close fast, we can provide speed if necessary. If you need more flexibility, we can provide that flexibility as well. So if you have a house that you've inherited in or around Blacklick, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's going to be a very transparent conversation. There's no pressure. We simply need to know about any timelines that you might be working with, as well as just know more information about the house. We're going to make you a cash offer on this inherited property in Blacklick, Ohio. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. It's very easy and clear communication from beginning to end. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's perfectly fine too. We can shake hands, part as friends. There's no pressure, no crime, no foul, and at least seeing what your options are. So if you've inherited a property in Blacklick, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Blacklick, Ohio, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy properties in Blacklick, Ohio. We buy inherited properties and probate properties in and around Blacklick, Ohio. My name is Dave, and I look forward to working with you.